Hi guys, today I just want to talk about my lawnmower issues. On the previous YouTube, I was about to put everything together, but then I realized that this carburetor, yeah, is this plastic connector here that actually broke. That's a big problem because that's where the cable for the throttle is connected onto, and without that you won't be able to basically use the lawnmower at all. And it's quite a pity because if you think about it, it's practically a new, not a new, but I've just basically cleaned all the jets and stuff in it. But fortunately there is a bit of hope, because what I did find is a lifesaver here is that I found these two guys. Obviously what happens is that you've got to insert this with that, and let's just call it a coin lock type of thing, into that carburetor there. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Obviously I've got to first take that, it's coin lock, but it's a choke anyway, and that's if it's closed, obviously it terminates the switch off the lawnmower, and if it's on, it gives the air necessary air ratio. But so I've got to get that out, and then obviously this will come out. So I'm going to quickly just open this and see what to do, and then let's see if I'll have a success story here. Alright, just looking at this now, when I opened the cover at the bottom, there's nothing down there that's gonna help me with taking this out here. So basically you don't really need to open this. It's just a question of getting a long nose and trying to pull that coin, let's just call it a coin, out, which will then release this. So I'm gonna have to go and try that. I'll just put this back, because there's nothing really here that's gonna help to get that out. Just a follow up, it looks like you just need to pull it out. Very simple. And once you pull that out, this is really going to come out. So yeah, so there's the old one. It's really very simple though if you think about it, and that coin top there used to be was inserted in that groove down there. Yeah, so okay, so let me go and do that. And it's basically this simple. Just use a long nose, pull it out gently, and that seems to be the case. Alright, so basically I've inserted that coin lookalike in, and it's ready for installation. Yeah, it's as simple as that. That's basically what I needed, is that to install the cable, to hook the cable in there, and then it should be fine. I'll have to go and see if I can get this installed and see if this guy's gonna work. I also have got a new gasket for this. This one is a little bit tatty. It's this guy here. So I'm gonna put it on this wall and let's see what happens.